Today we can discuss about perfect numbers. Okay, so some numbers we told that is factors and multiples that we already discussed. Okay, factors and multiples, and it's some facts behind the factors and multiples also we discussed. Next we can discuss what is perfect number. Okay, for that we consider the number 6. Okay, what are the factors of 6? We know the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, and when we add these factors, okay, the sum of these factors will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, so it will be 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, we will get 12. And we know that 12 is, which is the number we wrote here, we find the factors of 6. So the sum of these factors we got 12. So that 12 we can represent as 2 into 6. Okay. So this type of numbers are called perfect numbers. That means a number is called a perfect number if the sum of the factors, sum of all its factors is equal to, if the sum of all its factors is equal to twice that number. Here this sum is twice that 6. Such numbers are called perfect numbers. Okay, only rare number will be like perfect numbers. Another number is for a perfect number is 28. Okay, when we write the factors of 28, it will be 1, 2, then which are another factors. Next it will be 4. 4 is a multiple of 4 is a factor of 28. Next 7, 14 and 28. These are the factors of 28. And when we find out the sum of these factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, when we add, we will get the sum as, how much will be? It will be 56. Okay, we will get 56 as the sum. And we can represent that 56 as the 2 into 28. It is twice of that number. Here we find out the factors of 28 and its sum of its all factors we got twice of that number. So 6 and 28 are perfect numbers. Okay, but we can call that numbers perfect numbers. What does it mean? When we find out their factors, all the factors, and when we find out its sum, we will get its double of that, twice of that number. Such numbers are called perfect numbers. Now some questions we can discuss from exercise 2C. Exercise 2C. Look at the number square given in table 2.1 and answer the following. I think that I give us homework for you. Okay, looking that table we can answer this question. List the multiples of 2 between 1 and 10. This is very easy question. Which are the multiples of 2 between 1 and 10? For that you can please check the page number 29. You can see one table there. And which are the multiples of 2 between 1 and 10? It will be 2, 4, 6. The numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And all are very easy question. Next question, what are the multiples of 2 between 31 and 41? 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Like that you can answer that full questions. Okay. Next, we want to discuss last video I just mentioned about prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay. What is mean by prime numbers? Also we just discussed in that class. Prime numbers mean when we find out that numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. For example, the number 5. Which are the factors of 5? We will get only 1 and 5. 1 into 5 only we will get the product as 5. No other numbers when we multiply will not get 5. So only 2 factors for 5 are 1 and 5. And what about the number 2? The factors of 2 is only 1 and 2. Factors of 3, 1, 3. Okay. Factors of 4, 1, 2, 4. Here I have 3 factors for the number 4. So it is not prime. Such numbers are called composite number. Composite numbers. Okay, composite numbers. These type of numbers are called prime numbers, which have only 2 factors. Such numbers are called prime numbers. And what are the factors of 1? Factors of 1 is only 1. So it is not included in the set of prime and not included in the set of composite number. If the numbers have at least 2, if the numbers have only 2 factors, then only its name will be prime numbers. And if it have more than 2 factors, its name is composite. But the number 1, it have only 1 factor. So it is neither prime nor composite. It is not included in the set of prime and composite. So from this it will be clear which is the least prime number. Least prime number is 2. Okay, and which is the only even prime number. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. All other prime numbers will be odd numbers. Okay, so these are the main points related to prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, now here also one table have in page number 32 and about C of Eratosthenes. He find out a method for finding prime numbers using a table and crossing out the numbers. Okay, then it will be easy to find out the prime numbers. Okay, thank you.